Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Windows 11 10 stuck in airplane mode. First step is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Radio Management Service, check the service is started. If not started, start the service, click apply, click OK. Second step is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type ipconfig /release. Type ipconfig /renew. Type ipconfig /flush DNS. Third step is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Airplane More, turn off airplane mode. Now you can try to connect Wi-Fi. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.